Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to download Zoom app in your laptop or any Windows. So let's dive into the process. First is you need to locate your Google Chrome here at the desktop screen, but if you don't see any Google Chrome here, just simply search Google Chrome at the search button. Type Google Chrome. Once done, you need to scroll up and then select the best match. Click that. Okay, once you are being redirected to the Google Chrome screen, you need to type Zoom app in your Windows search bar. Let's type Zoom app and then click enter to continue. Okay, once you are here at the results, please select the first option and tap that. Here's the catch. Whenever you download any application like this Zoom, please don't forget to download it in Google Chrome because it's safe and secure. So let's continue download. Click this and let's wait for a while. Zoom app is good when you are meeting with your client or when you are conducting your online classes or seminar. So you can just simply use Zoom app. Okay, let's hit the download icon here above. Hit that to see the progress. So it only contains 108 MB. So let's wait for a while first. Okay, so once it is downloaded, let us double tap to open, and then it's starting to initialize. Let's wait for a while. Click on yes, and then let's locate the Zoom app here at the bottom search bar. Okay, let's click this. Okay, let's click this to open. And now click done. Okay, once you downloaded or you open the Zoom Workplace, it asks you to join the meeting, sign up, and sign in. And let's click join a meeting to start. And then it asks you to paste or write the meeting ID. Usually, meeting ID starts with numbers or simply names like English class. And then your name, for example, then join. And it asks you here the meeting passcode. So if you have any passcode in your meeting, so just type that and then join a meeting. Okay, unfortunately the passcode was incorrect because I was just typing anything. So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button to be updated onto our upcoming videos. Enjoy using your Zoom app and have a nice day, everyone.